You have 3 questions. Coffee or espresso?
Oh, coffee, please. Is this coffee?
It's an espresso restaurant.
How do they make this froth?
It's coffee cream. Last question.
Can I have another cup, please?
Thank you. Next, Espresso Restaurant. Experience the revolution of coffee.
A visit to the Jersey Shore unearths macaroons tropical twist.
We uncover what makes this sweet and sticky marinade so...
Stop.